Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This was a highly requested video. So I'm going to show y'all how I did my makeup. And like I said, I'm not a makeup connoisseur, so all them questions y'all be asking me, oh, what setting powder do you use, baby? What is setting powder? Because I don't know. The first thing we're going to do is our eyebrows. And the first thing you're going to do is outline your brows. This takes up the most time, if we're being perfectly honest, but the rest, y'all gonna be like, whoa. And I just love how active you guys are with me, commenting, liking, following me on Instagram. I really love that, guys. It's like I have a little virtual family. You're just gonna fill in your brows now. Start at the end. And then work your way to the middle. Oh, the color that this brow gel is the espresso. And when you get to the front of your brow, you just want to go upwards and hair-like strokes, just very lightly, because you don't really want boxy eyebrows. And then you're just going to get the same concealer and outline your brows one more time. But this time it needs to be perfect. Look at it, okay? All done with your brows. And you're just gonna get like a flat type of brush, and you're just gonna get the concealer and drag it downwards. I don't wear eyeshadow because I really just don't know how to do it. I use Maybelline Fit Me, Matte, Poreless, these two colors. The color is 335 and 355. 335, 355. 335, 355. What takes up the most time doing makeup is the concealing and the contouring and all that, whatever it's called, I don't know. But I was just thinking about it like yesterday, and I was like, instead of me doing all of that concealer and contouring and all of that stuff, that doesn't make sense for me to keep on doing that when I can just go ahead and just use the lighter version of my foundation. So the lighter one, which is this one, you're gonna start and put them in these sections. 1, 2, because as you know, when you're wearing your foundation and you're doing the little contouring and all that, you start it in these sections. I wanna put it on my nose, down here, and up here. I'm gonna just put that around here, up here, and on the sides. On the side, it's a little bit more. Okay, so you should look like this right now. Then you're gonna get your beauty blender. So you're just gonna tap. Now, what you're gonna do after that is you're gonna get your blush. This is the blush palette that I use, and I only use one color out of this palette, which is this one right here. But you're just gonna get a brush, go like this, tap, put a little bit more, tap, and you're just gonna smile and go in a backwards motion on your cheeks. Just like this. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. This is Gold Deposit by MAC, and I really love this stuff. And you're just gonna get your fan brush, rub it a little bit, tap, smile, and you're gonna put it on the top of your cheeks. Just like that. You're gonna put it on the button of your nose, just like that, right here. And this is what I do on my brow bone because I don't wear eyeshadow. And I just go like this, tap, boom, 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 tap, boom, boom, boom. Then after that, you're going to get your beauty blender again, and you're just going to tap your cheeks a little bit. After that, you're going to move on to your lips. Just going to outline your lip. Like that. And just rub it in. And you're gonna put this one on top, just a little bit. After you do that, as you can see in the creases of your lips, you just press, take that out of there. And the very last part is your lashes. Close your eye a little bit. And you're just gonna stick the lash right on top. Look up. You can use mascara, or if you don't want to use mascara, just use your spoolie and comb your lashes into the comb your natural lashes into the strip. And that's it for this lash. And you can look down if you have any glue. Like in those areas, you can just get something that's flat. I just always use my tweezers. And you could just like rub the glue down and off. And that's it. And after you have everything done, you're gonna get your setting studio, your matte prep and prime. I'm about to say Studio Fix, baby. I didn't know what I was talking about. I'm just gonna spray it a few times. Close your eyes. Let it dry. And that's it.